Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As mentioned in my last video, today I'm going to cover something which is a very colorful look and I just love that color. Red is my favorite color and I'm going to create a look with all the reds that I want to incorporate in one look. So today I'm going to use my Sea of Plenty from MAC Fit Me. You know about this blush, right? If you have watched my last video, this is a very beautiful berry kind of shade, but it can be toned down to a reddish tint. So I just love that color and want to use it. That's another way of saying it, that I want to use this color again because I'm super impressed with this blush. And my all-time favorite, NARS Dragon Girl. Love it. So before I get started with my eye look, let me get started with my lip color first. A gorgeous shade of red. I just love this color so much. Every time I wear this color, I'm impressed. And this one was the first lip pencil from NARS in my collection. And ever since that, I've collected so many. They're minis. These matte velvet lip pencils are my favorites. So most of the time I just keep them handy in my makeup drawer, or I mean, it's super easy. Any special day I just go for this red because it has got that hypnotic element to it. I just find it very mysterious. I know there are a couple of red shades in NARS, but Dragon Girl is my favorite. It is a very subtle and sophisticated red and then I just love it. So today I'm just going to use this lip pencil and there are many ways to use it. Before I start with my eye look, I would love to just sanitize it because I want to use this color on my cheeks and on my eyes as well. I find this color so pretty on cheeks, on lips and on eyes as well. This look is very special to me because I love red and I love to wear red in various ways. The moment I saw the colors in Sea of Plenty palette, I just wanted to create this look. These pencils are super handy for any occasion. If you are someone who loves red lipsticks, you will be pleased with this color. If you are not a red lipstick person, you will still like it because you can use it in various ways. You can just add this tint on your lip, you can add this tint on your cheeks, and you can add this tint on your lids as well. So today, let me just be playful with this color one more time. I am using this. I love using this pencil for any kind of base that I want to create when I am creating something red. The beautiful hue. There are many reds. I mean, we all know that every brand has got its special shade of red. And this one, somehow, I don't have anything in my collection which can be compared with this red because it has that pink, it has got that subtle red. So it's a mix of pink and red and it's a perfect color. Especially, I love to wear this on a snowy day. It makes me feel like a Snow White color. So just love the color. On the days when I don't want to put on much makeup, I go for this shade. I go on my cheeks with this color. I go on my lid with this color. And simply, a subtle flush of color on the face makes me feel alive and, you know, makes me feel a little chirpy. The base is set, and now because I want to use this product for this look and I was waiting for it because I've tapped into all the colors from MAC Sea of Plenty palette and I'm very impressed with the colors, the texture, the feel and the shade range. You can go from cool to warm. I just want to tap into reds today. But this has been my base color for anything. For the blending part, I'm going to use that peachy shade. If you have this palette, you know what I'm talking about. The golden peachy shade, just to blend it. And this look is going to be very quick. And then I'm going to go for The next shade, this reddish pinky shade. The soft shadows are very easy to work with, and if you are following my channel, this is the third look from this palette, and I am super impressed with the creative element of this palette because I can use this palette in various ways. I've been using all the shades to create different looks. The shades are really packing a punch. No building required, blending easily, so I don't have to be very concerned about the blending part as well. So this is, as you can see, just a nice wash of red. And next I'm going to go for this lovely shade, which is a frosty shade, on the center of my lid. This feels like dewy. A super quick look. And something for the inner corners, I'm going to go for this pinky shade. This is a very soft pink and packs a punch. Need something to pinpoint this color because I know it is a very impactful color. For my inner corner, very cool pink. I thought it would be lovely to add something cooler on the inner corners, and a little bit more of that red shade, which is the center of this look. It will satisfy you. If you really want to create different kind of looks from one palette, this has almost every shade which you can use to create from everyday to something creative. That little pop of color can just bring back the light on your face, around your eyes. So now something on my lower lash line, and for that I just want to use 3 colors today. I know I usually go for 2 colors on my lower lash line, but today I just want something extra. So going to start with this shade. It is the safest shade of the palette. You cannot go wrong with this shade. It's a neutral shade which can be very handy for any kind of look. I have been using it almost for everything because it's a neutralizer. If you go overboard with any color, you can just use this color to neutralize it and you'll be okay. Something on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to use the red shade, which is reminding me of Mars. The idea here is to create a red look today, and I really want to see red. So I'm not playing subtle here. I'm going on my upper lash line and my lower lash line both with red. So if you really like this kind of look, you will be happy to create it. To add a little bit more dimension, I'm going to use chocolate brown. Just relax because this one is going to pack something extra. And I have been telling you that this is the shade which is a very versatile shade. On my brows, I use it. For the outer corner, I use it, the chocolate brown. Layering the color is really important, and especially when it is a monochromatic look. If you add layers, it just lives forever on your face. I love monochromatic looks, be it purple, be it red, be it pink. Just adding a little dimension with this chocolate brown, and instantly it just adds that edge which I really love on the outer corners. Use your fingers or a clean brush to spread it out. And this combination looks really beautiful, brown and red. The final touch with this shimmery shade. It could be a lighter free look or it could be a liner look, so you can decide. I am going to go for liner free. I just want to add a little bit mascara and then go for the final touch. So mascara on my top lash line and bottom lash line, and after that I'm just going to add a little bit of powder around my eyes, and of course my blush, just to dust out, just to make the edges super clean. You got to work really carefully with the frosty shades, but they are so beautiful, adds something extra to the whole look. I'm going to use it this time very carefully. Just adds a lovely red back on my cheeks. I got enough time to settle down the NARS lipstick, and on top of it, just a bit of lovely red. Isn't it a gorgeous look? And of course, without giving my lips a final touch of Dragon Girl, I'm not going to call it a day. So that's about it, my dear friends, red lovers. I hope you like this look, because this one is really very special to me. I am super happy to create it and super happy to share with all of you. For those who love red, yeah, please give it a try, and definitely let me know what's your favorite color from NARS Velvet Lip Pencils, because I just love those so much. Yeah, with that, saying bye to all of you. Pretty soon I'll be posting something really cool and fun again. Bye. Have a great day.